Hello world, this is YernarProjects.com and we are going to define project stakeholders. Organizations and project teams cannot operate in ways that ignore the external effects of their decisions. That is, no manager makes decisions exclusive of consideration of how those decisions will affect external groups. One way to understand the relationship of project managers and their projects is through employing stakeholder analysis. Stakeholder analysis is a useful tool for demonstrating some of the seemingly irresolvable conflicts that occur through the planned creation and introduction of any new project. An organizational stakeholder refers to any individual or group that has an active stake in the activities of an organization. Stakeholders can have an impact on and are impacted by organizational actions to varying degrees. In some cases, a corporation must take serious heed of the potential influence that some stakeholder groups are capable of wielding. The process of stakeholder analysis is helpful to the degree that it compels firms to acknowledge the potential wide-ranging effect that their actions can have, both intended and unintended, on various stakeholder groups. For example, the strategic decision to close an unproductive manufacturing facility may make good business sense in terms of cost versus benefits that the company derives from the manufacturing site. However, the decision to close the plant has the potential to unleash a torrent of stakeholder complaints in the form of protests from local unions, workers, and community leaders. Stakeholder analysis is instructive for understanding the impact of major strategic decisions. Within the project environment, there is also a very real concern for the impact that various project stakeholders can have on the project development process. This relationship is essentially reciprocal in that the project team's activities can also impact the external stakeholder groups. Stakeholders, while having varying levels of power and influence over the project, nevertheless have the potential to exert a number of significant demands on project managers and their teams. The challenge for project managers is to find a way to balance these various demands in order to maintain supportive and constructive relationships with each important stakeholder group. There is a useful framework of the political process that has fine application to stakeholder management. 6 steps suggested that all prudent project managers should follow. Assess the environment. Identify the goals of the principal actors. Assess your own capabilities. Define the problem. Develop solutions. Test and refine the